Follow the science. I'm Alan Reynolds with Southland Organics. I'm not quite sure what that means. I think it probably means more like political science. I mean, is one mask enough? 3 masks? Football players can roll around on each other during a game and slobber and breathe on each other, but after the game, they can't talk to each other. It's crazy. We want to take a little bit today to talk about real science, the difference between cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting. Whether you're trying to keep a safe house for your birds or a safe home for your family, hopefully these tips will help.
Let's think back to the beginning of 2020, when the world got a very unwelcome house guest, coronavirus. Without even a warning sign, this uninvited house guest took the world by storm, emptied supermarket shelves, and left millions of people just like me and you wondering how to protect our families, friends, and employees. Unfortunately, there's a lot of misinformation that exists today, and people are frantically purchasing products and services without a plan. Process is key when it comes to ridding surfaces of germs, a term we use to describe viruses, mold, bacteria, and fungi. Let's think linear. We first clean, then sanitize, and if warranted, then we can disinfect. Understanding the differences in these practices can help you decide which products will lead to the cleanest and safest environment for your company, home, or production facility. Cleaning is the mechanical removal of dirt, grime, dust, food, and germs. Cleaning is your first line of defense. If you do not properly clean a surface, then you are leaving behind substances for bacteria to feed upon and great places for germs to hide. Dirt and organic matter make sanitizers and disinfectants less effective, so cleaning is necessary in most, if not all, cases. Cleaning alone has been shown to remove up to 98% of bacteria and 93% of viruses from surfaces. Sanitizing is reducing the number of germs on a surface to a safe level determined by public health officials. Those levels are 99.9% for non-food surface areas. For food surface areas, a sanitizer reduces the number of germs on a surface by 99.9% within 30 seconds. While sanitizing kills most germs, it is not as abrasive as disinfecting. Disinfecting is temporary. As soon as a surface has been touched, coughed upon, sneezed upon, breathed upon, germs start growing again immediately. Store and use disinfectants in a responsible and appropriate manner according to the label. Never mix bleach or other cleaning products together. Before choosing a product, you will first need to decide whether the surface needs to be cleaned, sanitized, and/or disinfected. You should always clean a surface before you sanitize or disinfect. It doesn't make sense to disinfect something that only needs to be cleaned. The products used to disinfect are much more toxic and expensive than products just used to clean. Overusing sanitizers and disinfectants can certainly be harmful. Overuse leads to the spread of superbugs. Superbugs are germs that can not easily be killed by disinfectants or even antibiotics. We cannot stress enough that not all microbes cause disease. Bacteria, viruses, and fungi are a vital part of the ecosystem of our bodies. In fact, we're actually made up of 10 times as many microbial cells as human cells. The collection of microbes in our bodies is called the microbiome, and we need them to survive. Microbes help maintain the health of our bodies. For example, they make vitamins, break down food so we can digest them, and form our immune system and control inflammation. When we sanitize, disinfect, or even use antibiotics, we kill the good with the bad. Proper planning is key.